Hey guys, sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a little while, but this is why. I've been busy with this little project. Building a fireplace mantle in our sunroom in our home. And it's quite a little project. I built it all out of 1/2 inch MDF. I built a 2x4 frame in behind there to hold everything. And there's the front kind of taking shape. And I built the hearth out of 2x10s across the front. I realize that firebox is a little small looking, but it will look better towards the end. I'm going to be, I'm getting some, or I did get some metal flashing to put around it. And it turned out pretty good. Anyway, that's just some of the nail holes filled and stuff. The unit is 8 feet long and approximately 54 inches high. There's the first coat of primer going on. Starting to take shape a little bit. And that's the finish coat of paint on there now. That's 2 coats of finish paint now. And then I also I insulated in behind because I was getting cold air coming up from the brick, and it wasn't very efficient. So this way I insulated the brick, and then I also built a little insulated box in behind the fireplace itself, so it makes it much more efficient. And at the bottom I left a little air gap to suck air in. This is just me sanding, getting the boards ready for the hearth in the front. I'm just sanding between my coats of varnish just to make everything nice and smooth. And this is a shot of the, I think that's the 3rd coat. I put 3 coats on of varnish. And I also put 1 coat of a stain. It's a black stain. And those are just 2x6s, spruce 2x6s. So just stain them black and put 3 coats of varnish on them, and they actually look pretty good. Turned out really good. And that's what they look like finished. Nice wood grain in them. And there they are installed in the fireplace. And there's the metal trim I was talking about around it, so it actually makes it look a lot bigger than it really is. So it turned out pretty good. Nice little project. And this is it. My wife's decorated it for Christmas. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed.